This take two. This time I'm going to install the software via the USB port on the front. I have it connected to a 2 GB storage space SD card. SD card, USB stick. I have just pulled the radio stereo out of the back of the car here, as you can see that's still apart, and the DAB unit was connected to one of the double USB ports at the other side of the unit. So I have now connected the DAB unit to the single USB port next to the antenna. I have tested it already, and unfortunately the sound is still poor. I'll do that. I'll check it now while we're on here. Volume going up. As you can hear, that's not correct. That's not right. Anyway, let's carry on with the software upgrade. Plugging in now. Let's go to settings. Wipe and install. Hang on, let's stop for a second. I can't. I've forgotten I've got the USB, not the USB, the SD card in the GPS slot still from yesterday. I need to remove that. But I will, although it seems to be doing something. So maybe it's reading from the USB port and not from the SD card in the GPS port. I apologise if the video cuts out. Yesterday I had problems with the phone overheating and it cutting out the video. Hopefully it doesn't do that today. What I'll do, I'll pause this video while this updates, because this is all quite boring, I suspect.